A long, tricky day perched above Shenzhen, a lost Jack, and a beautiful sunset. We set off on the Tinworth Trail right here on Drone and Phone. Well, it's a new Drone and Phone series. We're on the Tinworth Trail. This is the toughest of the long trails, a new one. Jack, tell us what's ahead.
We are at the beginning of it, coming towards the border with Shenzhen. Today we do 20k of 2 sessions of Tinworth Trail. It's the unofficial trail of Hong Kong, 97 kilometers in total.
It's a long one, but it's a really tough one. A lot of elevation on this one, so got our work cut out. Let's get going. The 98-kilometre Tinworth Trail stretches from the northeast corner of the New Territories down to the far west corner of Lantau Island. It was conceived in 2022 to commemorate the life of Nick Tinworth, a Hong Kong trail runner and race organiser who died at just 44 after a struggle with a brain tumour. It's an unofficial trail, so there are no signposts or infrastructure along the route, but it covers many paths that are missed by the official Big Four long trails. In this first episode, we get a taxi close to Sha Tau Kok and look for the start point.
It's closed, yeah? You need a permit to enter the Chateau Kok. But we go by the side. Up on the Sandwich Twin Road. Up. Here we go.
Okay. So we are now officially started. After a short walk along the Shan Choi Road, we head up along a path that climbs onto a small knoll. Nice gentle start, a little bit of road, but now the hard work starts as we come off and start to climb up over 400 meters. We've got to go now. As we climb, we pass small buildings that used to house military installations and personnel. In one pillbox, we find new residents have moved in.
So, first thing you notice on the trail, yeah? The bat.
Batman! Take time to turn around on the way up and take in the view behind you. The trail slowly climbs to just under 400 meters, but has an enchanting feel to distract you from the grind. This is a really pleasant trail. It's one that I've never done before, and I can't think why, of 8 years of drone and phone. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these views over here. As we reach the top, the views over Shenzhen on the other side open up, and along with them a series of abandoned military lookouts. Well, I gotta say, the one thing I need right now is a beer. Unfortunately, the top of this one there's a bar. Barman! I'll have a nice cold beer, please.
I'll give you a Qingdao.
The main part of section 1 takes you along a high ridge above 400 meters in most places. Taken up above the tree line, the drone captures the panorama that's quite spectacular, but unfortunately, down at ground level, the experience is not the same. So we're walking along a ridge at around 400 meters. Unfortunately though, as you can see here, we're right in the thick of it. So we should have stunning views both sides, but we can't see them. The ridge undulates from one peak to the next with small troughs in between. So I've got to say this section is very much one of two halves. The first half up and along an absolutely stunning ridge, and then just over halfway mark you get to Robin's Nest, or just below it, and then you get on this road, and we're making very fast progress, whereas this morning, well, we were doing about 2 kilometers in an hour. It was very tough. Now I think we'll be back within an hour. At the end of section 1 you come through Lang Pei village. We don't find any shops en route, though if you are desperate at this point a short detour will bring you to refreshments. We suggest you make sure you have enough for the full day and not rely on these stores, as many may not be open when you call. Well, we finished section 1. We're in the middle of a village next to a very busy road, as I'm sure you can hear. Jack, how was that for you?
The climbing was tough, huh? But coming down is easy. The view, my God, the view.
Expect the first half to take you a long time, second half super quick, right? Next section, not quite as hilly, section 2, but longer, so let's see how it goes.
11 kilometers, let's go.
Had we known what was in front of us, we may well not have sounded so chirpy. Jack! Jack! Well, we're about 12.5 kilometers into the day, and it's going to get tough again. So, tough at the beginning, and then reasonably easy, a lot of concrete, and then towards the end, well, it's not towards the end, we've still got about 8k or so still to go, and we're back on the steps again.
This looks so different from the hikes we have done in the other part of Hong Kong, right? Even the trees looks different.
After the reservoir, the trail takes an unexpected turn as you move off well-defined trails and onto what we later found out was a riven path through the bushes. So we've come off the good trails, and we're now doing I wouldn't say a bushwhack, but certainly a little off-piste. As you can see up there, that we're going now to get up to the summit of this thing. About another 100 meters up. When we did this section, it was hard to find any sort of path, and the bush was very thick. I left Jack while he was doing a drone shot, and he was gone by the time I returned. Jack! Anyone seen Jack? Slightly odd looking fella. Could be dangerous. Stay away if you see him. Let the experts deal with him. He's in these bushes somewhere. According to me, not so far away. Okay, let's see if I can find him. Jack! Where are you? We found him. Are you on the path?
Oh, 5 meters only.
Come down, you're going up. You've gone past it. There we go. And that, my friends, is why you shouldn't go hiking alone. Certainly if you have no understanding of where to get to, no sort of normal navigation skills. Luckily for Jack, he brought me.
Got cut everywhere. You need to be physically fit for this.
With Jack recovered, we are now in a race against time as the daylight fades to a golden sunset, and still some distance to cover. Fortunately, we're back on regular paths for the descent into Fanling and a chance to make some ground at a decent pace. Well, that's it for this episode. That was a tough one. How was it for you, Jack?
22 kilometers, in the heat. Only one spot I could imagine to get water. Yeah, be careful.
Pretty tough. Now, if you want to see all of our other Tinworth episodes, you're going to find them on our website at droneandphone.com, and also on our YouTube channel, along with all of our other episodes. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
And this is
Drone and Phone. 99% of the hiker cannot take this. So we highly recommend you not to come.
I don't think 99%. I would put us in the top 40%.